So this particular car seat has two methods of mounting it into the car. One method is using the seat belt in the car, which for rearward facing passes through there, and forward facing passes through there. So for this demonstration I'll be using the ISOFIX mounting method, which is these buckles on either side, and then you got the top tether strap here. Once you're in the car, the next step is to locate the ISOFIX mounting points. Most modern cars will have this. Just look for the label. They'll have a label on the seats like that. Depending on your car, some seats will have a zip just there, which you can unzip, and there'll be a little hook inside. Some cars have a plastic flap on either side. This particular car is quite difficult, so you really have to, it's a bit hard to see on camera, but you really have to pull that cushion down and stick your fingers in. You can feel around, you can feel the hook about there, and there's one just on that side there. I'll put a photo up on the screen for a better look. For rearward facing on this particular seat, you have to fold it on its back like that. This little section lift up all the way, and now it just balances like that. The car seat now, in the car on the back seat, got this bit up here which sits as far back towards the seat rest as possible. You've got it sitting something like that on the seat. Then you grab your buckles. This one is quite tricky. Alright, so that is now on. It's very hard to see. Pull this out. And tighten it, making sure the belt isn't twisted. Give it a good pull. It's nice and firm. And I've also done the same thing on this side as well. The next step is to attach this top tether strap. If you have a sedan, you should have a little plastic cover like this on the parcel shelf. Flick it up to reveal a hook. If you've got a hatchback or a SUV, that hook might be on the back of the back seat. Sort of using the front seats as a demonstration, might have the hook in the back there. So then you grab that hook, hook is on there, pull the slack out of that strap, and coming around to this here, and you pull the slack out, making sure that's nice and tight but not too tight, as you don't want the strap to lift the seat up. If the ISOFIX option is too difficult, or your car doesn't have the ISOFIX option, the other option is to use the car seatbelt and pass it through there. Once it's through the other side, just clip it into the buckle, making sure it clicks, and then pull your slack. Pull your slack all the way through, just like that. The removal is pretty much the reverse of the installation. Just keeping in mind that when you do undo the ISOFIX latches, you gotta press that red button in on the latch. You can hear it click, and then you can pull this out. One other thing I forgot to mention, once you have your baby fastened into the seat, these clipped into the buckle, you then have to pull this strap here tight, which will pull these buckles or these straps in. Just like that.